Nature is the art of God. Nature paved its path through the river with utmost perfection. This is nature's sustainable drainage system. Inspired by nature, we create products to fulfill the necessities of water transportation and drainage systems. Over the years, our journey in pursuit of perfection and our uncompromising commitment to quality has made us KML Classic. KML Classic, adding value since 1993.
This system is mainly used in high-rise buildings, in infrastructure technologies. So we came out with this brand Classic.
Kisan Moldings has been in existence for 33 years and we have adopted our mantra called the USP. U is for unity, S is for speed, and P is for performance. And this you will find that every employee in Kisan would be familiar with.
Since 1993, our endeavor to amass quality with efficiency has led us to strive towards improving our products in coherence with changing trends in emerging plastic industry. Creating and sustaining a culture of excellence is what it means to be on the invariable journey of delivering the goods for the construction and agricultural sector of India. We have over 1,500 products that caters to the construction and agriculture needs of India.
Today we are manufacturing more than 1,500 products, both for the agricultural and for the construction market.
Kisan Moldings Limited is a public limited company promoted by the Agarwal family in Mumbai and has always set highest standards in the terms of product quality, customer proximity, delivery reliability, and excellent services.
Kisan family have been serving this country with all the agriculture products, where we can serve the farmer and save each and every drop of water.
If you need anything regarding construction in plastics, from a 20 mm coupler to say about 400 mm pipes, we manufacture everything.
We have state-of-the-art production facilities.
We have factory in MP.
Tarapur, Bengaluru, and Silvassa.
So logistically, we are very well placed to serve our network all over India.
We are doing an automation project in our biggest plant, Tarapur, which is going to increase our efficiencies in the extrusion plant and ensure that the customer gets the best quality in the industry.
Kisan Moldings Limited now offers a one-stop piping solution catering to all your needs. We are a trusted name because of our long-lasting quality and wide range. Adhering to the strict quality principles of Kisan Moldings Limited, we use CPVC resin from Kaneka Corporation, Japan, which ranks as one of the best raw materials for CPVC. We also manufacture Kisan rubber lubricants and Kisan solvent cement, which are renowned for their quality. Strategically spread throughout the length and breadth of India, Kisan Moldings Limited is serving its customers promptly and efficiently. The company has witnessed an average growth of 20% per annum every year after its inception and clocked a superlative 1,900% growth for the period of 1998 to 2009. The current annual turnover of Kisan Moldings Limited is today poised to cross 1,000 crores. With a workforce of over 1,000 employees, 1,500 distributors, 5,000 dealers, and 12 regional offices. Some of our conspicuous clients are
KML Classic, KML, KML Classic, KML.
आज हम बड़े प्राउड से कह सकते हैं कि हमारा छोटे से लेके बड़े से बड़ा आज हमारा जो है क्लाइंट्स है.
We want to take Kisan Moldings to the next level of excellence.
For the coming decade, we have major expansion plans in international arena. As a responsible corporate citizen, Kisan came up with two products: rainwater harvesting system under the brand name Barish and Micro Irrigation Systems.
महाराष्ट्र से शुरू होके आज हिंदुस्तान के अंदर मैक्सिमम जो है हमारा ही प्रोडक्ट जा रहा है.
We also left our footprint in the form of infrastructure. Our headquarters is in Mumbai.
इस समय हमारा पीवीसी का जो फिटिंग का प्लांट है जो पूरे इंडिया के अंदर हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्लांट चल रहा है.
So if you talk about plastics, from pin to aeroplane, we are your framework.
We believe that every new beginning brings the promise of a lasting future. We are committed to design the products for tomorrow.
हिंदुस्तान के अंदर नंबर 1 यूनिट के अंदर आ चुके हुए हैं.
Our promise to the customer is delivering quality and bringing happiness.
Long live India, long live Kisan.
Dear patrons, we at Kisan Moldings Limited welcome you.
KML Classic, adding value since 1993.
जीवन में अपने भर लो मंग किसान मोल्डिंग्स लिमिटेड के संग.
KML Classic, adding value since 1993.
Strategic Vision India, the brand strategy with perfect vision.